Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize your calendar using GoHighLevel scheduling tools. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your scheduling features and calendar settings. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look at the left sidebar and locate the Calendars option. Click on it to access your calendar management area. This is where you'll be able to control all your scheduling preferences and availability settings. Once you're in the Calendar section, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see a button labeled Calendar Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This section contains all the core customization options you need to tailor your calendar to your specific schedule and business needs. Now, still at the top of the page, click on My Availability. This is the area where you can define exactly when you're open for appointments and when you're not. It's incredibly useful for preventing double bookings and ensuring clients can only schedule during your working hours. Here's where you can start customizing your calendar. First, locate the drop-down menu labeled Active On and click on it. From the list that appears, choose the calendar you want to customize. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple calendars for different services or team members. Next, select your time zone from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all appointments are scheduled according to your local time and prevents any confusion with clients in different regions. Now you can edit the specific days when you're available. To do this, check the checkbox next to each day you want to be available for appointments. Once a day is checked, you can then set a start time and end time for your availability on that particular day. If you have split availability on any given day, simply click the plus icon to add additional time blocks. For example, you might be available from 9 a.m. to noon and then again from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Each time block can be customized independently to fit your exact schedule. If you need to remove a time block, just click the trash can icon next to it and it will be deleted. And if you're not available on a particular day at all, simply uncheck the checkbox for that day and it will be excluded from your bookable times. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice an option that says Add Date-Specific Hours. Click on it if you need to set custom availability for a specific date, like a holiday or special event. Select the date from the calendar, input the specific time you'll be available, and then click Save. This allows you to override your regular schedule for one-off situations. Once you've finished customizing all your availability settings, click the Save Changes button at the top of the page. This will apply all your updates and make sure your calendar reflects your current schedule. And that's it. You've successfully customized your calendar using GoHighLevel's scheduling tools, giving you full control over when and how clients can book time with you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.